Simon Sinek did a great video about how great leaders inspire action. He also has a great book too that I've read, and I've watched the video several times, but it's always a good reminder. I'm trying to get back to the foundational reason why leaders can be truly inspirational was pretty much the foundation for me with the takeaways. What I appreciate is, though the video more tailors to a sales perspective, I'm talking about how there's this circle of evolution on how sales is conducted, with the how of the product, the what the product is, and the why the product exists. That's pretty much the core of his message, is understanding great leaders know the why they are doing something. And it's more than just in sales, so that's his example. It goes on to explain with communication, specifically with inspirational leaders, why is the belief core system, why people get up every day and do what they do. Leaders are truly inspirational. They inspire others to act. But the way that they do that is through fully being rooted and understanding their own belief structure, and therefore using that to inspire others. It's more than just words at that point. It's more than just why they're running an organization, why they're selling a product, how they're doing that product. It goes into that it almost just naturally flows out of them. They are so in tune with their core belief system that it inspires others to believe the same thing. And most people naturally, when you have an inspirational leader, you're going to find people that naturally resonate with that belief system. And then you start creating this core population of people that are all in agreement and are all inspired by the same idea toward action. And that's how inspirational leaders become inspirational. People naturally want to come to work and they want to belong. No one's coming to work most likely showing up and saying, I would like to spend the majority of my life working at this job and giving it half energy. Inspirational leaders that know their why and they put and invest that why in the organization create a family environment, a cultural environment where other people feel that they belong there. They believe in what the belief system is of the organization that's inspired by, leadership, and therefore they enjoy what they do. They invest more of themselves. That's how you get employees to really, like Simon Sinek said, I think he said blood, sweat, and tears. You got the people that aren't just showing up for the 9 to 5. They're coming in there and they're giving all of themselves. They're trying to be inspirational. They're trying to create new ideas. They're supporting team movements. They're supporting collaborational efforts. They are fully invested in the organization. So, leadership. One of the notes I wrote about Simon's video was more than power and authority. Being a leader is not about manipulation. It's about inspiration. So it's about fully investing, and you have to start with yourself. So to me, it was to be inspirational and touching on that transformational, which is kind of what we're all learning here. It's you have to know what your belief is, and you have to stick to that and be comfortable in that skin, and then inspire others to do the same thing. Thank you.